out of the entire people, 60,000, 70,000 odd people, nearly 25% जनता, ballpark 60,000 लोगों ने एनमेट दिया होगा, ballpark मुझे एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं पता, तो 15,000 के आसपास लोगों को तो इंटरव्यू कॉल है,
Yes.
राइट? और जो भी सोच रहे हैं एनमेट देना चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए, भाई ये बैकडोर एंट्री है। इंडिया में कोई भी कॉलेज ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ पे पहले 15,000 रैंक में आपको MBA कॉलेज मिलेगा, कहीं पे भी नहीं है। फायदा होता है केस कॉम्पिटिशन?
बिल्कुल होता है। यू गेट टू नेटवर्क विद द ब्राइटेस्ट माइंड्स अक्रॉस।
तुझे मिला क्या कुछ?
मुझे तो बिल्कुल मिला।
क्या मिला बता दे।
जो सबको जो जिस चीज़ के लिए सब MBA आए हैं वो मिल गया।
This guy has got already a job offer from case competition. By winning a case competition, becoming a finalist, you can get a PPO, pre-placement offer, or you can get a PPI, which is a pre-placement interview. तेरा क्या था? PPO, PPI?
इंटरव्यू मिला यहाँ से
and out of the process.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया है। तो अगर तुम्हें प्लेसमेंट के चक्करों में नहीं बैठना है, ये प्लेसकॉम वालों से डरना नहीं है या कम डरना है, या मैं भी था long back, but any which ways, then there's a backdoor entry towards corporates, which is
Hi, I'm Raksha. My NMAT score was 239. I'm very happy to be back at Cat King.
Hey guys, Pratham this side. NMAT 266. Glad to be back at Cat King.
Hi, I'm Daniel from NMIMS Mumbai, batch of 25-27, and glad to be back here with the Cat King family.
Hi, my name is Ansar Zeva. My NMAT score was 258 and I'm happy to be back at Cat King.
Hello everyone, my name is Girish Purushwani, NMAT 234. I'm happy to be back at Cat King.
Alright, hi everyone, welcome on board. Today we are here at NMIMS and with the Cat King family students and discussing इनकी लाइफ यहाँ पे क्या चल रही है। ये लोग तो भी NMAT देने वाले हैं। NMAT के अंदर इनके साथ क्या क्या हुआ था। And we got a mix of people. We got Girish, Pratham, Ansh, Daniel, Raksha and their various score 266, 258, 249, 239 और Girish was 234. इनमें से कई लोग प्लेसमेंट कमेटी के मेंबर्स नहीं हैं, कईयों की नौकरी अभी चल रही है, कईयों की नौकरी समर इंटर्नशिप ऑलरेडी लग चुके हैं। कब शुरू हुआ था कॉलेज? हाउ मेनी डेज इट्स बीन?
Approximately 4 months.
4 months और समर और कई लोग केस कंपटीशन भी जीत चुके हैं। कैट किंग फैमिली रॉक्स यार। वेलकम गाइस, वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड।
Thank you, sir.
Hello sir.
भाई, how did it feel? Now you're on this side of the table, yeah? मेरे वीडियो सुनते थे ना, येलो शीट्स and everything.
Yes.
Was it helpful?
Yeah.
Everybody.
ऐसे ही मत बोलो झूठ। Was it helpful?
Yes.
Definitely.
Definitely.
First
yes.
thing we watched after getting out from the exam. Let's see Sir's videos.
Let's see what's the update. Superb यार, superb. That's great. Good. So it's a mix of engineers, non-engineers. पहले भाई 2 पार्ट में वीडियो करेंगे। पहले तो अपन बात करेंगे NMAT एग्जाम क्रैक कैसे करना है. By the way, people who don't know, NMIMS Bombay has dropped the cutoff to 209 last year, right?
Yeah, major surprise.
Major surprise. और नहीं तो 234 घर जाओ. और इस बार भी शायद वैसा होगा जितना मुझे पता है, पर पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है. Which means अगर आपका 75th percentile के आसपास आ रहा है in the NMAT exam, you can get an interview.
Yeah, you still got a chance.
You still got a chance. जिन लोगों ने अभी तक फॉर्म नहीं भरा है भाई, फॉर्म भर देना, चांस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. एंड NM का कंपैरिजन किसके साथ करें? NM वर्सेस क्या होता है?
MDI.
SPJ नाम है. ओह हेलो. ये ज्यादा हो गया है.
MDI Gurgaon.
MDA गुड़गांव. SIBM. That's a good competition. हाँ भाई. SCMHRD. New Amps.
IIT Bombay.
IIT Bombay. Okay.
I would still say better than you are.
Better than New Amps.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which any college did you leave? कुछ छोड़ा तुमने? और क्या छोड़ा?
MT Ghaziabad.
MT गाजियाबाद छोड़ दिया.
I left SHMRT.
SCMHRD
I
छोड़ा.
left Amrachi, Amritsar and Sirmaur.
Okay.
Masters Union.
Okay. Okay. Bit song छोड़ा. Good.
I was very specific with my choice, and
Okay.
NM was the only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
ये भी ऐसे बच्चों को जाना ही है. तो कैट दिया ही नहीं, कैट वेट दिया था.
CAT दिया था, but my approach to CAT was not as intense as like
Good.
how I.
चलो कैट परसेंटाइल बताओ पहले तो. हाँ. क्या था तुम्हारा कैट परसेंटाइल? ये इनको मोटिवेट करेगा because I'm assuming कि किन लोगों कम होगा. But anyway, it's
Mine was 91.5.
91, not bad.
95.6.
95, not bad.
97.3.
97,
92.
92.
It was 94 point something.
तो
I
न्यू
don't-
आर्म्स को तुम भाव नहीं देते क्या?
Not over NMIMS.
NM rocks. चलो भाई, let's talk about NMIMS. Cutoff have been dropped to 209, but they have got something called as competency test. वो भी आज बात करेंगे because it's a new thing for sure. Let's talk about NMAT score. Pratham, you are 266 in NMAT.
Yes.
इतना कैसे भाई? तो मेरा भी नहीं था. हाँ.
So going into CAT, I was confident I was gonna get 99, but somehow the DLR didn't pan out. So then I had like 9 days before NMAT. I was like, now I gotta kill it.
करना ही
So I got into a channel. I saw the structural breakdown, which topics are important. I knew that input output is important. Spent couple of days on it. Got into the pattern. Then I actually gave the NMAT mock just before the actual test, on the day of the test.
On the day of the test. ये advice नहीं है. हाँ? This is okay. Good.
So I scored 272 on it.
Wow.
And then I went in and scored 266. So I was like,
भाई marks देने जरूरी है, एक दिन पहले दे देना, but ये भी बहुत ही बढ़िया. Great. Let's go in the order. Then we got a 249. Girish तेरा कितना था? 234. 234. हाँ भाई 249. Daniel भाई.
Yes, sir.
Daniel. हाँ, killing it man. Killing it 249.
Yeah, so mainly my prep was initially focused around CAT, but then I purposely scheduled my NMAT 2 weeks after CAT because I just wanted to get done with CAT as my first paper and then focus on all the other entrance exams. So CAT के बाद 2 हफ्ते थे, I just threw myself into the NMAT prep. I gave a lot of CAT Kings NMAT mocks as well, which helped me out a lot, along with the analysis.
उसमें marks आ रहे थे?
उसमें marks आ रहे थे. Surprisingly, it was the perfect range. I was scoring in the 245 to 250, 255 range in the NMAT mocks, and that ended up being my score. 249 was my score on the day of NMAT. So the prep was mainly about what to do differently. The few additional topics जो CAT में उतने important नहीं है, उस पे focus करो और time management strategy.
We'll talk about topics also. ये भाई तुम notes ले लेना जो topics specific होते हैं, verbal के अलग होते हैं. This is not CAT at all.
Yes.
NMAT is a
It's a
totally different
whole new
examination.
world.
It's a whole new world. And with due respect to NMAT as an exam, it's a preparation-based exam.
True.
Right?
Yes.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Intelligence जरूरी है, but जिसने अगर प्रिपरेशन कर ली वो एग्जाम फाड़ सकता है.
Yes.
मैंने बोला नालायक लोग हैं, बट अगर तुमने मेहनत करी है तो ये निकाल सकते हैं. कैट के अंदर ऐसे तुम अटक जाओगे कहीं ना कहीं जाके, राइट?
Yeah.
एक क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, ये देखो DILR, राइट? एंड यू कैन गेट स्टक इन अ प्रॉब्लम एंड
Yeah.
and in NMAT in RC Munji Bombay it'll be hardly a place where you just stuck, you can't move at all. Brain freezer वगैरह नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. बहुत बढ़िया. रक्षा 239 NMAT. What's your strategy of NMAT?
My strategy was right after my CAT exam, I started like preparing little easier topics because I knew NMAT was not as difficult as CAT, and I was working the whole time, while giving my CAT exam, while giving my NMAT exam. So for me, it was जब भी काम से break मिले, जल्दी से थोड़ा बहुत questions कर लेना so that I stay in touch with whatever I prepared for CAT. And I think I gave my NMAT exam after 2 or 3 weeks, sometime around that time after CAT. So
That's also one question which they keep on asking. When to schedule the NMAT exam? तुमने कब दिया? CAT के पहले? CAT के पहले?
I gave around 9th December.
After CAT? Okay. तूने
I have given NMAT 2 times.
बोला नहीं अभी तक कुछ बात? हाँ.
I have given NMAT 2 times. First, before CAT, and that last year I gave before CAT, and this time I gave after CAT.
Okay. अच्छा, you gave it 2 different years.
Yes.
Oh, this year. Which worked more?
So in last year I scored 241, and this year 258.
Two. Very nice. Good. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम्हें repeat करना है. पहली बार में हो जाता है. Oh, so you went through the entire interview round last year?
Yes,
You
with
couldn't
Watson
make it.
Glacier. I cleared the HR, but I wanted the core, so.
So and you got the core. Very nice.
I gave it 2 weeks after CAT.
2 weeks after CAT.
I think 3 weeks after CAT.
After CAT. तो after CAT वाले ही
And
ज़्यादा
the
easy
thing
है.
with me was that I'm a 2025 graduate.
अच्छा, recent
So, yeah.
nice.
So my actually end term exams were in December itself.
नौकरी लगी कि नहीं तेरी? फ्रेशर की नौकरी लगती नहीं मैंने.
Fresh नहीं.
लगे?
मतलब
Good. Why summer internships are? I'm not allowed to. I know everything inside. Summer internships are going on right now. Freshers की भी नौकरी लगी. Very nice. Good. Super. क्या खास है तेरे में जो तेरी नौकरी लग रही है out of this big batch here? Who is smart?
I would say I'm a people's person.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm great at making conversations. I'm great at carrying them on.
Very nice.
So I carry the flow forwards. That's what I believe. Besides the technical skills,
Okay.
most of you can develop technical skills, but the people skills have to
that
be.
help in the interview.
Yes.
Excellent. Super यार. Good. Let's talk quickly about the subjects. कौन से subjects important है? Verbal ability है, logical reasoning है, और 2 घंटे का पेपर. It's a speed-based test. People who don't know the syllabus of NMIMS, अभी तक आपको पता होना चाहिए. 36 questions will be of language, quantitative 36, and logical reasoning 36. Anybody killed any of the sections if you can remember?
I scored 99 in logical reasoning.
99 logical
Yes.
reasoning. क्या किया तूने
So
ऐसा खास?
उसमें critical reasoning is the most important. उसके लिए आपको बहुत practice करनी पड़ेगी, and that's not a part of CAT syllabus. So you have to prepare for NMAT specific, and it will help in ZAT as well as in SNAP. So
Super. Strengthening the argument,
yes,
weakening the argument,
weakening.
course of action, and that's nearly 1/3 to half of the entire
Yeah,
NMAT
almost
paper
20 questions are from
are
critical
from
reasoning.
critical reasoning
Yes.
only. तो मेरा pro tip रहेगा, people who got access to the dashboard पे CR पूरा पढ़ा हुआ है, पूरा पढ़ लीजिए. ये तो NMAT maximizer books के
Yes,
अंदर
NMAT
भी maximizer कर लो, that's more than sufficient. And NMAT की एक official guide आती है,
Yes.
उसके अंदर भी CR अगर देख सकते हो, that's going to be really helpful. Good. Anybody else?
Quant
Quant
tips.
क्या था तेरा quant का score याद है क्या?
I scored about 101.
101. That's a massive score in quants. Wow.
So basically, I would say, like, since geometry is a major killer for some of the people who are giving CAT, and it isn't a concern in NMAT, so that is what actually propelled me forward. So
Okay.
I wasn't decent at geometry because I couldn't remember all of the
Okay.
theorems and stuff. So NMAT was basically my breakthrough because
Geometry तो है ही नहीं।
geometry नहीं है, तो ये तो फोड़ना है अब.
Super. Modern maths का भी थोड़ा बहुत weightage था इस बार,
Yes.
right? Over a period of time, I've seen that permutation, combinations, and basics of stat, mean, median, mode वाला भी एक दो question कहीं ना
Number
कहीं
system
दिखता है.
and modern maths is like very huge part of NMAT syllabus.
If you can do that, that'll be great.
Yes.
Superb यार. Quants में, how about arithmetic and algebra? Are these ruling the roost? How about you, Raksha?
For me, quants wasn't my strong point.
Okay.
So especially since it was at the end of the test,
Are you
me, it was
non-engineer?
just getting through it. I am an engineer,
Engineer.
but
Quants was
even
bad.
though
Okay.
it wasn't. So I did my best in the verbal part of it,
Okay.
followed by logical reasoning. And for quants, it was for me, if it was just to
Passing,
make it
like,
pass.
okay.
Yeah,
70
the
कुछ
cutoff.
रहता है ना, cut off 70 कुछ
62 था.
62 distance.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
209 हो गया.
हाँ.
Sorry. 234
वरना 70 रहता था.
Hard to digest.
71, 72, 78, I remember. So NMAT cutoff used to be 234. अभी over a period of time 209, तो 62 is also. तो कितना था? 63, 64?
I think it was just 62 to be honest. So
Last
I'm
person to
glad that I
enter
was there.
नारसिंह बॉम्बे क्वांट सेक्शन. तो भाई इंटरव्यू कॉल आ गया तो फिर तो तुम कर ही सकते
I know.
हो. Superb यार, रक्षा, that's awesome. So let's talk about the competition. ये पुराने जोक्स हैं जो हमने ऑफ कैमरा मारा था. So let's talk about the competency test. The competency test is a new thing which NMAT folks have introduced. In fact, Narsi Monji has introduced. NMAT वाले बोलते हैं हमारा स्कोर सही है, ये बोलते हैं आओ तुम कैंपस पे आओ एक और टेस्ट लेंगे. जिनको प्रोसेस पता नहीं है, as I told you in the start, out of the entire people, 60,000, 70,000 odd people, nearly 25% जनता, ballpark 60,000 लोगों ने NMAT दिया होगा, ballpark मुझे exact number नहीं पता, तो 15,000 के आसपास लोगों को तो इंटरव्यू कॉल आया.
Yes.
राइट. और जो भी सोच रहे हैं NMAT देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए, भाई ये बैकडोर एंट्री है. इंडिया में कोई भी कॉलेज ऐसा नहीं है जहाँ पे पहले 15,000 रैंक में आपको MBA कॉलेज मिलेगा. Right? कहीं पे भी नहीं है. कॉम्पिटेंसी जरूरत है इसकी.
Actually, yes, sir. As Miri.
कैमरे के बारे कुछ और बोल रहा था यहाँ.
Actually, it is true because ultimately many people who are unable to score on that day, particular on NMAT day, are able to get the chances through it. And also, if they perform well here, they are ultimately getting chance to get into the like best college.
That's a good
Yeah,
one.
it's a two-step verification. Like if you
Techie है क्या? Two-step verification. Okay.
दिल से
good.
techie.
दिल से techie. Okay.
Also it has managerial ability section, so उसमें जो भी लोग quants वगैरह
जिसमें
में
कुछ भी पूछते हैं. हाँ.
बट उसमें लाइक क्वेश्चंस मे बी ऑपरेशंस IT फाइनेंस के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं तो जिनको वर्क एक्स वगैरह तो उनको बेनिफिट मिलता है उस सेक्शन में. तो बैच प्रोफाइल भी अगर देखोगे तो हमारा बेटर हुआ है. लाइक डाइवर्स सेक्शन से लोग आए हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज एन असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर. लाइक ही हैज वर्कड एज देयर आर मेनी न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर्स एक्स मॉडल्स दैट हैव कम फॉर MBA.
And 50% weightage is for this competency. हम तो मस्ती कर रहे हैं भाई, और ये लोग क्लियर कर चुके इसलिए मस्ती कर रहे हैं. जब ये देने गए थे तो
Pleasant surprise.
surprise, like what the hell is going on. Or it is the AI based interview also. So you got a 209 plus or 210 जो भी इनका कट ऑफ होगा इस बार. You're invited to NMIMS Bombay and then you go through the competency test and the in AI interview. उसी दिन पे हो जाएगा, एक ही दिन पे दोनों होगा. Great. And competency test is 45 minutes.
Yes.
How was your experience, Raksha, for this competency test?
Actually, when I came for the test, मैं वापस कुछ preparation नहीं करके आई थी because at this point I was just like बस interview देना है, ये क्यों रखा है वापस. So the questions I would say they were quite simple. Except from जो technical questions थे, like there were few questions on inventory calculation, something on Jensen formula which I had no clue about. तो मैंने तो तुक्का डाल के answer कर दिया.
In the managerial ability.
Yes,
Okay.
but then they correct nikli, and when I saw my results that I got into NMIMS, I was a little bit surprised, but also I knew that the interview played an important role as well.
Yeah,
So overall, it turned out to be great for me.
Only 20% weightage is for the NMAT examination, and rest all things happen once you are on the campus. for sure. कट ऑफ क्लियर करो, उसके बाद कॉम्पिटेंसी टेस्ट. डेनियल, हाउ वाज योर? एक तो वर्बल एबिलिटी के 9 क्वेश्चन आने वाले हैं, देन मेंटल एबिलिटी के 6 क्वेश्चंस एंड देन मैनेजर एबिलिटी के 5 क्वेश्चंस. ऑन वर्बल एबिलिटी में क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग सिमिलर टू एनमैट,
You can say that.
similar to NMAT, and analytical reasoning, prioritizing ideas. How do you prioritize? Any question you remember? Prioritizing ideas में कुछ क्या था? कुछ याद किसी को?
लाइक सर्कुलर अरेंजमेंट वगैरह थे लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में, एंड मैनेजरियल एबिलिटी में 2-3 क्वेश्चन वे भी क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग के आप जैसे जैट की डिसीजन मेकिंग होती है, इट वाज रिलेटेड टू दैट ओनली.
How do you take a decision on that?
यस, एंड लाइक 2-3 क्वेश्चन प्रॉपर टेक्निकल के फाइनेंस वगैरह कंपनीज के निकालने हैं, प्रॉफिट कितना है वो सब था.
Yeah, I remember I got a question EBITDA. Back then I didn't know anything about the term. Now I know.
Check करेंगे तुम शार्क टैंक देखते हो क्या? Okay, lovely. And managerial ability 5 questions for sure. Superb यार. And there is a +3 marks and there is a -1 for wrong answers as well. बहुत ही बढ़िया. And can you switch between the section in the competency test as well? बहुत ही बढ़िया.
You can.
Great. So let's talk about the AI interview. So as now this section becomes very serious for those people who are giving NMAT, थोड़ा बहुत भी पढ़ के, क्योंकि लोग तो CAT, NMAT, SNAP ऐसे ही उठ के दे के आते हैं. If you are coming in the top 25% of the जनता और top 20% जितना भी वो बुलाएंगे, तो you guys gonna go through the AI process. How was the AI process? Was it difficult? Was it easy? Let's ask the place commer भी हमारे पास. Let's ask the place commer first. How was this?
Actually, it was unexpected at all, like completely. Because like when I started giving it, I wrote all my data SOP and all. It was revolving around my SOP itself firstly. But later on, it started asking multiple questions which I was not aware on. It started asking about stocks, world politics and all.
कुछ
And
भी.
I haven't written anything about it.
Oh,
And I was confused why he's asking about these questions. So,
Was it a boy or a girl?
no, it was a
It was a boy. Okay.
Actually, it was the questions coming up. No one was
Yeah.
asking
No
about
one
it.
asking. How
So
was it?
I'd like to share about my
Please,
AI
please.
experience.
So I'm assuming that there is a system which talks to you.
Yes.
There is no human, but there is a system which आवाज आ रही होगी. But how was it? Yeah.
Yes, so it's a 12-minute interview. There's a running timer. You will have a laptop in front of you. There'll also be an examiner in front of you to make sure if in case anything goes wrong, he's there to take care of things. So your SOP is going to be very important, whatever you submit. It will be, the entire interview will be around your SOP, around your profile. So make sure your SOP is you've gone through multiple iterations of creating your SOP. Even through Cat King, I had a lot of help. I went through multiple mentors to make sure my SOP is perfect to the T.
Awesome.
And during the interview, it started directly with my SOP-based questions. So in my profile, I was also trying for the armed forces. I was selected for the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force, but I couldn't join over there due to medical reasons.
Oh.
But I had mentioned that
What
in
was
my
the
SOP.
issue? Do you remember?
The reason?
Yeah.
I was too tall to be a fighter pilot.
What?
Yeah.
तो ये भी है क्या?
I got selected, but उनकी maximum height criteria होती है.
I failed in the medical because of वो knee के बीच में distance. It's called
Knock
something.
knees.
Knock knees.
Knock knees. Yes. I was like,
Yes.
I was
Very strict
for my
standards.
NDA. Yeah.
Right.
I was like, यार क्या फर्क पड़ता है समझ में नहीं.
तो मैंने वो मेंशन की थी मेरे SOP में, so it started asking me about the aviation sector and how I can link that to the MBA.
Wow.
And then you can control the pace of your interview and the next question that it might ask you. So based on the answer you're giving you, it will give you 2 or 3 cross questions, and once it's satisfied, then it'll move to the next tangent.
And was it making sense कि कुछ भी पूछ रहा है?
To
इसको
some
भी पूछ रहा
extent,
था?
मुझे मेरे पहले 2 questions were going on track. पहले मेरे एयरफोर्स बैकग्राउंड के बारे में पूछा, कनेक्टेड इट टू द MBA, करंट इंडियन एविएशन सेक्टर के बारे में पूछा, थोड़ा बहुत जियोपॉलिटिकल लिंकेज के बारे में भी पूछा. So it will help if you are updated in terms of general knowledge about your own SOP and the sector that you are a part of.
And the question will come on a screen or
It will come on the screen. There's a chat box running, and I think it also asked you with a prompt.
Yeah, there was basically a speech recognition software.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, it would make a transcript out of that.
Okay.
And if you're satisfied with whatever you have given,
So you're sitting in front of a PC?
yeah,
Yes.
you're sitting in front of a webcam and we have PC basically. So whatever you say is gonna get recorded. It's gonna get translated into text. And after you're done through your answer, you basically click post. And
Acha,
basically it would upload it into the software
And
for
the questions come as like a chat window kind of thing?
Yeah.
Chat
Yes.
window. So just a
Also-
very important piece of advice.
बोलने
from-
दे इसको थोड़ा यार.
Also, you can type your answers. Also, you
ये
can.
मुझे अपनी MBA के हमारी FMS मीट थी दिल्ली में. तो MBA के पहले ही मुझे जब स्टूडेंट था तो मिलने आ गया दिल्ली FMS में. बुलाया भी नहीं था इसको. और आज मैं आपसे बैठा हूँ. Proud to see you man. Thanks.
सो सर उसमें हम टाइप भी कर सकते थे आंसर, बट लाइक आई वुड एडवाइस के स्पीक करो, क्योंकि जो आपके आगे पैनल बैठा है थोड़ा इंप्रेशन थोड़ा खराब हो जाएगा कि आप बोल नहीं रहे, आपसे टाइप कर रहे हो.
That's a new one. So you can actually type in the answers
and
as well.
another pro hack as well. So the questions are gonna keep coming until that 9 or 10 minute mark. So I would say don't speak too fast, or else it will give you like 10-15 questions and it would throw haymakers and curveballs at you.
Oh, shit.
Because once it's through your SOP, then it's got everything the ocean. It can throw questions from anywhere.
How many minutes it lasts?
12 minutes.
12 minutes in total.
So if you reply slowly,
Yeah, if I wouldn't say reply slowly, because then it just shows that your lack of preparedness.
how's yours?
Mine was quite good actually. I kept talking to the PC like I would have a conversation with a friend. For me specifically, the interviewer had mentioned अगर मैं stammer कर रही हूँ कुछ गलती कर रही हूँ तो manually edit मत करना, वो कर देगी अपने side से. So I kept going with the flow, kept submitting my answers, but just remember that at the last minute that you have, unless you submit that last answer timing 12 minutes से पहले वो submit नहीं होता. तो if that last question is important for you, make sure you submit it on time before your timer ends.
No, I didn't get it. So before the timer ends, you have to submit.
Yeah, so you have 12 minutes altogether, right?
Yeah.
So let's say that your last question comes up at 11 minutes 30 seconds.
Yes.
So maybe your answer is longer than 30 seconds,
Right.
but make sure you bring it down to less than 30 seconds and submit before the 12-minute mark. So
Else
that
the last question will not be submitted.
No, it
Yeah.
will not be submitted.
Wow.
So you need to submit the question.
Yeah, how about the clubs and committees? कुछ clubs अब सही हैं?
Yes, बढ़िया.
क्या है?
I am in NGM club it's for marketing, so it's very fun, and we make we have various competitions like in November also, like we are having an event called Paragna, then we have Pariche, and then Euphoria. It's a cultural
Good.
festival.
How about you, Danny?
I'm
Which
also a
clubs?
part of the marketing club and also the music club. I'm a professional musician as well. So
Oh, nice. What do you play?
I play the piano. और कॉलेज के बीचों बीच पियानो है.
वो जो पियानो तू बजाता है?
बजाता हूँ मैं. मैं तो सिलेक्शन के लिए भी आया था, उस दिन भी वहाँ से स्नीक आउट करके पियानो बजा के निकला था.
वो भाई ये इनका कैमरा बहुत ही सेक्सी है. And they were piano playing नीचे बैठ मस्त white वाला है जो
Black
grand
piano.
बहुत ही क्रेजी है. पहली बार मैं भी आया था. हम एसपीजन वाले हैं. हवंस ट्रस्ट पास में ही है वैसे. हमने ये सब फैंसी देखा नहीं, but amazing building, amazing campus for sure. Superb. Raksha, having fun?
I am having fun, but unlike them, I'm not part of any club. So my time apart from academics, I use it for case
chill
comps. I
zindagi.
haven't won any yet.
Were you in the top two, 3 case competitions? कुछ finalist में कुछ आगे
Nice.
बढ़े?
I have been in the semi-finalists of
Same.
several of them.
बढ़िया.
but
तुमने कोई
haven't
जीता
won
case
any.
competition?
Semi-finalist I'm.
जी सर.
जीता है?
जीता नहीं, फाइनल्स तक आया.
फाइनल तक आया. कुछ फायदा होता है case competition?
बिल्कुल होता है. You get to network with the brightest minds across.
तुझे
different
मिला
big
क्या
schools.
कुछ?
मुझे तो बिल्कुल मिला.
क्या मिला बता दे.
जो सबको जिस चीज के लिए सब MBA आए हैं वो मिल गया.
This guy has got already a job offer from case competition. By winning a case competition, becoming a finalist, you can get a PPO, pre-placement offer, or you can get a PPI, which is the pre-placement interview. तेरा क्या था? PPO, PPI?
इंटरव्यू मिला यहाँ से and then
And out of the process.
Yes.
बहुत बढ़िया है. तो अगर तुम्हें प्लेसमेंट के चक्करों में नहीं बैठना है, ये प्लेसकॉम वालों से डरना नहीं है, या कम डरना है, या मैं भी था long back, but any which ways, then there's a backdoor entry towards corporates, which is केस कॉम्पिटिशन. सारे काम छोड़ो, अच्छा बिजनेस स्कूल ज्वाइन करो, एनएमएमएस मिलता है तो बहुत बढ़िया बात है. टेक पार्टिसिपेट in case competition. That's a big learning for sure. Super, we had a lot of fun here. Any parting thoughts to all our YouTube family who are listening to us? Now you guys are role models. You guys have done it. Yeah. Any parting thoughts to all of them? Let's go with Girish.
So just do it. Don't quit. I have tried for 2 years now, and finally I converted NMIMS Mumbai. So this was one of my dream colleges, I can say. And when I converted this, I know what I was and what was my happiness. So just try it. Just continue what you are doing, and you will get it.
Yes, Pratham, how about you?
So I took the wordplay course from CAT, and I got to learn from various alumni. For example, Tushar Bhaiya from IIM Calcutta, Milana Didi from IFT.
Wow.
So IIM Ahmedabad. Sorry, correction. So they gave us weekly news, and that greatly helped me, because one of the news fact that she shared with us actually came in my interview.
Interview है.
Yeah.
बहुत और लड़के नौकरी भी निकालते. हाँ जी, Sachdeva साहब, 250 at NMAT. Any parting thoughts?
So I would say that be consistent. Like I have scored 137 in mocks, but like I have scored 258 in my actual NMAT mark.
कौन से mock में थे? Real NMAT mock. हम Cat King family.
Yes.
Oh, तेरी.
So like from 137 to 258, and like Anisha ma'am was really helpful, and there were different teachers like Sahil sir, then there were like
Prantik
Moinak
sir,
sir, Prantik sir,
Moinak
yeah,
sir.
Prantik sir from I Am Lucknow, yeah.
Super.
So be consistent.
Be consistent. पढ़ते रहो हो जाएगा. हाँ भाई Daniel.
So we all understand this period that you all are going through right now. This is the home stretch. आखिरी 1-2 महीने हैं. But this is the time to just put your head down, work hard, eliminate all the distractions. Because trust me, at the end of the day, when you're sitting on this side, hopefully next to you with us, with sir, it will be worth the effort that you're putting. अगर कभी लो लग रहा है, just go to YouTube and sir की live videos देखो. That's what I used to do for motivation. वहाँ से और थोड़ा पढ़ने का मन कर देता था. And then those extra incremental efforts that you put in, that is what will get you through.
Superb. Thanks. Raksha 239.
For me, it was I made use of the NMAT mocks from your website, and I have to say they helped a lot. But more than anything, I'll tell you, watching your YouTube videos for motivation is what kept me in the process, with a very positive mind, and that helped me the most. And that really motivated me, to like give my interviews and do my practice and make the best of the process.
Thank you so much. Boys and girls, इनको क्या बोलते हैं? Like, subscribe क्या बोलना?
Like, share, subscribe.
Like,
वो
share.
रक्षा बोलेगी तो मैं.
Perfect candidate.
Like, share, and subscribe because Sir is just amazing.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Boys and girls, do it on the like button for sure. And pledge करो जरा बैठ के live on this side of the camera where we are sitting right now is really, really crazy. NMMS अच्छा school, बुरा school, we'll talk about later on. अभी तुम्हारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. पहले convert करो. You guys can come and help this year's students यार. Once you finish your
Yes.
course. हाँ? You want to be there on this side. तुम इंटरव्यू लेके आओ. सचदेवा साहब तुम्हारा इंटरव्यू कन्वर्ट करवाएंगे.
Done.
Done, bhai. That's the commitment. Boys and girls, all the best. And if you have any questions regarding RC Munji Bombay, drop in the comment section. More than happy to help you guys. Thank you so much. Take care, guys. Thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you. Thank you. Keep going.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Cheers.